everyone, welcome to Science Purifier Company. Now let me introduce the water machine. Look, this machine is one stage PP filter. Now let me show you how to install this machine. First, put the PP here, then cover it. And fix it. Use this tool to fix. And here, connect with the tap water. Then we can get pure water. That's all. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Science Purifier Company. Now let me introduce the water machine. Now look, this machine is two stages. One is PP cotton, second one is active carbon. Now let me show you how to install this machine. First, put the PP cotton here, then cover it, then fix it. Use this tool to fix. Then put the active carbon here. Cover it and fix. And here connect with the tap water. Then we can get pure water. Hello everyone, welcome to Science Purifier Company. Now let me introduce the water machine for home use. Like this machine have three stages, 1, 2, 3. One is PP filter. Second one is active carbon. The third one is ultra filter. Now let me show you how to install this filter. First, put the PP here, then cover it and fix it. Use this tool to fix. The second one, active carbon. Put here, cover it. The third one is ultra filter. Put here, then cover it. Fix it. And here we connect with the tap water. Then we can get the pure water. That's all. Thank you.